Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite YouTuber, Idioma. What will I be talking about today? I'm going to be talking on the topic how to sleep train your children. How to sleep train your babies. I know it is a hectic task for new moms to sleep train their babies, for their babies to sleep early and all because we are tired. We need rest. Babies suck and suck and suck. They suck to the point that you are like, please, I want to rest. Now, how do you sleep train your babies? From 0 to 3 months, it's quite difficult to sleep train babies. Why? Because they are not accustomed yet that night is for sleeping and morning is for playing. Babies see it that morning is for sleeping and night is for play. So in the morning they sleep, in the afternoon they sleep, then in the night, especially in the middle of the night, they wake up to play. And then you are tired, you are stressed. So how do you sleep train your children? One, always change their diaper. When their diaper is dirty, especially at night, change their diaper. Make sure they are putting on clean diapers. Clean diapers is really important. 2, make use of a pacifier. Pacifier actually suits babies. Put a pacifier in their mouth. It helps to soothe them. And when they fall asleep, kindly remove it because it can lead to suffocation. Please do not forget to remove the pacifier when they fall asleep while using it. 3, give your baby a massage, a night massage. A really nice massage. They need that massage to make them sleep really deep. 4, use a dim light. A dim light. Very, very important. Using a dim light helps them to understand that, I think everywhere is dark. I think I need to sleep. But when you're using a bright light, they're like, this is morning. This is time for me to play. So use a dim light. 5, while your baby is suckling on your breast, or maybe when they wake in the midnight to play, don't smile at them. Don't smile. I know it is quite tempting for you not to smile at baby. You're like, oh, my baby is so cute. Please refuse to smile at them. In fact, do not look at them eyeball to eyeball. Don't. If they try looking at you, move your face like this. Move like this. That's what I do. This is what I did actually, and it worked for me. So please don't look at them eyeball to eyeball. Don't smile at them. Next, dress your baby according to the weather. If the weather is cold, dress them according to the weather. If the weather is warm, dress them according to the weather. Do not wear 5 clothes on your baby and say, if I expose my baby to cold, my baby will catch cold. Please, if you wrap your baby like you are wrapping shawarma, you wrap your baby too much, your baby will be crying. You will think as if your baby is hungry or your baby's diaper is dirty. No, you won't know that it is the clothes you use to wrap your baby. So please, you don't need to wear too much clothes for your baby. Just dress your baby according to the weather. Next, make sure the room is cool. Babies love cool environments. Babies love cool environments. Make sure the room is cool. It works. Next, use a white noise machine. What do I mean by that? You might not necessarily have to buy it if you're not financially buoyant. You could use a fan. The noise that comes from the fan helps babies to sleep. I'm telling you, I use this a lot. That noise helps babies to sleep. Or the noise that comes from AC. That sound that comes from AC. It helps baby to sleep, including the the sound that comes from fan. It also helps baby to sleep. So if you have a white noise machine, kindly use it. If you don't have it, just make use of your AC or you make use of your fan. It helps babies to sleep. Next, rock your baby. You know all those lullaby, rock-a-bye baby on there. This is sorry, I don't really know it, but just want to be able to sleep. Please, any song you know. You don't even need to sing a song because me, I'm bad with singing, but I'm actually bad. Any song you know, if you don't know any song, no problem. Just rock your baby to sleep. It works. I use this a lot. It works. So rock your baby to sleep. Next, our mothers, let us reduce our intake of caffeine. Caffeine helps our baby to stay alert instead of them to sleep. So if you take caffeine a lot, please cut it off or kindly reduce it so that your baby can sleep well. The last point I'm going to drop is this: feed your baby when they are hungry. Feed your baby when they are hungry. Let them eat well. When they eat well, they tend to sleep longer. The summary of all this is this: when you are practicing all this, have a particular time you do this. It could be 9 in the night, it could be 8, it could be 10, it could be 11. Any time that suits you, do all this within that time. For example, we decide that we want our babies to sleep around 10 p.m. because we want to sleep as well. What do? Before 10 p.m., we should have done all of these activities. We should have done all of this. So by 10 p.m., your baby will sleep. You keep doing this day in, day out, day in, day out. 10 p.m. every day, 10 p.m. every day, 9 p.m., 11, anytime you want to be able to sleep. You will notice this, that before you even decide to give your baby massage, baby have slept off. Why? Because your baby is now accustomed, your baby is now used to sleeping by that time. This is a tested and trusted point because I did it. I used this for myself and it has been working for me, please. So I'm giving you cheat codes right here. So you can use all, you could use some. But just remember to do this before a particular time and do it repeatedly day in, day out. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep dropping educative tips here. I love you. Mwah.